Welcome to Classy Cookery.
So here I am showing you how to collect the rinsed water in case if you don't know. Here I am using some red lentils, also known as tur dal. I am going to clean it under the fresh water 2 to 3 times and I am going to collect that water. Now we have rinsed water collected from lentils. Keep it aside. Whenever you are using lentils, any kind of lentils, collect that water and use for plants. Likewise, I am also using rice and I am going to clean it with fresh water and I am going to collect that rinsed water in another bowl. So now I collected lentils water and rice water. Now simply take 1 cup and directly pour it to your plants. So this lentils water you don't need to pour it too much, just 1 cup or 2 cups are enough according to the plant size. So these are tomato seedlings. Now it's sprouted. You can see it's very small now. And this is after 10 days. You see how nicely it's grown up. Tomato plant is the one who it grows very faster. This is after like 17 days approximately. So now you can see how my tomato plant is growing very nicely by using lentils water or something like onion water. You can use any home fertilizer. You don't need to buy any store bought fertilizers. Friends, try to use these homemade fertilizers and you can get more flowers and more veggies. So these are the eggshells. Collect eggshells and just break it into small pieces and directly throw it into your flower plants, especially for rose plants, jasmine. So for any kind of flowers, this tip works very well and you will get more bigger size flowers than usual. So here you are watching my tomato plants. I started these tomato plants like during lockdown, like April. I started April. Now it's grown up very nicely. It become a big plants and these are some flower plants and I just throw some cherry tomatoes and I got here cherry tomatoes plant and you see lot of cherry tomatoes growing up now. Some are green and some are turned into red, ready to harvest. You see the tomato plants will grow very faster than other plants and peppers. I have some peppers and I have some tomato plants. You can use orange peels. Orange peels also works as a very good fertilizer. You don't need to throw it in trash. Use it in our plants. Got some coriander leaves. Here you are watching my hibiscus tree and the other side is aloe vera. One more tip is onion peels. Collect onion peels in a bowl and soak it with water. Submerge with water and let it sit for overnight. And the next day take the water and just throw it into your plants as usually. You can just skip that peels away or you can use with peels or without peels. Either way is okay. It's up to you. So this onion water works very well other than like rinsed water of lentils. Use onion water for roses. It gives a very big size roses. See, you can see my roses are growing big Once in a while I'm pouring this onion water whenever I have time. You don't need to do it every day, every 2 days, or whenever it is required. Whenever it is required, you have to water your plants. You don't need to water every day.